To change video format for camera in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open Camera app on your device. Next step is to click on those four dots, and then we can click on the gear icon to open settings for our camera. That way we'll be able to find video format. If we select it, we'll be able to select HEVC high efficiency or switch to H264. The high efficiency will offer you the less space taken by the videos that you're gonna record, and H264 will be more compatible because the first one, HEVC, is might not be compatible with most of the current social media or websites. You won't be able to upload those videos, and with this one you should be able to. You can also go for this first mode and activate high bitrate video mode, HDR and log. You can also go for APV, which is professional video capture, captures cinematic quality videos using the advanced professional video APV codec. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.